OpenAI is launching a new beta feature in ChatGPT called Tasks that lets users schedule future actions and reminders. The feature, which is rolling out to Plus Team and Pro subscribers starting today, is an attempt to make the chatbot into something closer to traditional digital assistant. Think Google Assistant or Siri, but with ChatGPT's more advanced language capabilities. Tasks work by letting users tell ChatGPT what they need and when they need it done. Want a daily weather report at 7 a.m.? A reminder about your passport expiration? Or maybe just a knock-knock joke to tell your kids before bedtime? ChatGPT can now handle all of that through scheduled one-time or recurring tasks. To use the feature, subscribers need to select 4O with scheduled tasks in ChatGPT's model picker. From there, it's as simple as typing out what you want ChatGPT to do and when you want it done. The system can also proactively suggest tasks based on your conversations, though users have to explicitly approve any suggestions before they're created. Honestly, we feel like the suggestions have the potential to create annoying slop by accident. All tasks can be managed either directly in chat threads or through a new tasks section, available only via the web in the profile menu, so it's easy to modify or cancel any task you've set up. Upon completion of these tasks, notifications will alert users on web, desktop, and mobile. There's also a limit of 10 active tasks that can run simultaneously. OpenAI hasn't specified when or if the feature might come to free users, suggesting that tasks might remain a premium feature to help justify ChatGPT's subscription costs. The company has monthly $20 and $200 subscription tiers. When scheduling capabilities are a common feature in digital assistants, this marks a shift in ChatGPT's functionality. Until now, the AI has operated solely in real time, responding to immediate requests rather than handling ongoing tasks or future planning. The addition of tasks suggests OpenAI is expanding ChatGPT's role beyond conversation into territory traditionally held by virtual assistants. OpenAI's ambitions for tasks appears to stretch beyond simple scheduling too. It was reported that Operator, an autonomous AI agent capable of independently controlling computers, is slated for release this month. Meanwhile, reverse engineer Tibor Blaho found that OpenAI appears to be working on something codenamed Caterpillar that could integrate with tasks and allow ChatGPTs to search for specific information, analyze problems, summarize data, navigate websites, and access documents, with users receiving notifications upon task completion. The rise of agentic AI in 2025 isn't just about technological advancement, it's about economics. These agent-like features represent a strategic way to monetize expensive AI infrastructure. While OpenAI's decision to put this functionality behind ChatGPT's paywall was predictable, the real question remains, will it deliver reliable results? The last time we got an OpenAI agent demo, it produced inaccurate information. The coming months will reveal whether the team has solved these fundamental reliability challenges. We also think of this new feature as a slightly more sophisticated script, but at the end of the day, Tasks is following a simple, rote set of instructions, much like a typical bot. The goal of many frontier AI labs like OpenAI is to evolve these features into something that's able to interact with environments, learn from feedback, and make decisions without constant human input. However, questions remain about how reliable these scheduled tasks will be and what happens if ChatGPT fails to deliver time-sensitive information. OpenAI's decision to launch Tasks in beta suggests that it's still working out these details and wants to gather real-world feedback before a wider rollout. For now, if you're a paying ChatGPT user, you can start experimenting with tasks by looking for the 4O with scheduled tasks option in your model picker. Just remember that it's still in beta, so maybe don't rely on it for that super important meeting reminder just yet.